Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that I got the Chalk Couture transfer for the month of June. It is called Pinwheels, and I'm not doing it today, but I will be doing it real soon, so look out for that video. Also, I wanted to show you, I'm going to do this Hip Hip Hooray, and it's, sorry about that, and it's Congratulations Grad, and I'm going to be doing it on this board here, but I wanted to show you, I did this for my daughter, and I didn't film it because I was not sure with the lettering and everything how long it would take me, but I'm really proud of how it turned out, and so I thought I would show it to everyone. My daughter Marissa just graduated, and I put these on there so she clips pictures or whatever. She's in the marching band, drumline, concert band, graduation. They went to Hawaii, so she can post all pictures of that. This is their band logo, and those are her school colors. At the end of June, is the end of this catalog that is on my website right now, and a new catalog will be coming out this spring summer. Catalog ends in the fall. Autumn fall will be coming out, and will be coming out July 1st. So some of these transfers will be retiring. I don't think this is one of them, so you can still get this one, but it might not be in the new catalog. Some are retiring, some are pausing till next year. And I've already stirred these and everything, so I can just get right into it.